Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Today I will show how to create this piston in CATIA V5. So let's move on to CATIA. Start mechanical design, part design. And if you want, you can name or leave the same. Select front view, select position sketch, press OK. Then take the profile sketch, draw something vertical line like this, then line like this, horizontal line, then a horizontal a vertical line like this, then a horizontal, then again a vertical until we complete 4 clips. Now one completed, we need to draw 3 more. 2 completed. Now 3 completed. Now 1 is remaining. The 4th tip. Now 4 clips are completed. We'll join this at here. Then we'll go like this. Then again a horizontal line. Then again a vertical line until down. Then join this. So now we got the shape. But this is not the desired one. We need to constrain this. For that constraint purpose, I took this option, auto constraint. I will select this all and OK. You can see dimensions came automatically. Then go to edit multiple dimensions. Select here and give dimensions all 3. OK. You can see we got the dimensions all 3. But the problem is here we got this is like this. No need, we can adjust that. Then we need to give the remaining dimensions. From here to here it is 12. This one should be 12. Then from here to here it is 24. Then from here to here it is 30. Then from here to here it is 24 already existing. Then from top to bottom it is 72. Now I can see the only constraint we need to give is only 2 constraints we need to give. One is the only constraint we need to give is from here to here it is 35. So now we are all done with this. Now we need to do this revolve operation. Shaft, select this gauge and select the axis should be this. Keep it 180. Now we need to do this hole. This is not a normal hole. This is something electrical hole. It can be done by now. Select this plane, offset 10 mm. If it's not visible to you, just drag here and select this plane, sketch, choose 26 mm dia. Now exit from the sketch, Select the pocket option. Select this reverse direction up to next. Now fill has been completed. Now we need to add material here. Select again this one. Sketch. Then draw 26 mm diameter circle. Then draw 20 mm diameter. Still. Exit from here and add. Select this two up to 17 mm. So this part is completed. Now we need exactly the same in the right side. For that, select this one and this one and this one. Mirror about this one. Okay. Then again select mirror. Select this one. So now our piston has been completed. We'll hide all these planes. We will give some color to this. Hide this plane also. We'll give color to this. This is how the piston looks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.